How to order a new cash card if you lost yours. Here's what you want to do: load up Cash App, then you will click on your profile icon found in the top right corner. Now you will scroll down until you see the option for support, so you just want to click on support, and right here we will use the search bar to search for missing card, written like this, and you will see this article: report lost or stolen card. Click on it, and now we will click on report lost or stolen card, and here you will again have to select report card issue, and you have the option of card damaged, card stolen or compromised, or card missing. If we've lost it, it's going to be missing, so you just want to click on card missing. Then it's going to take you to the page where you will be able to select which card is missing, and once you confirm it, then you just want to follow the prompts to receive a new cash card, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.